Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing data in Google Sheets, step by step. Missing data can affect calculations, charts, and reports, so it's important to identify and correct it before analyzing your spreadsheet. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Sheets. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Next, open the spreadsheet that contains the missing data. Start by looking for blank cells in your worksheet. You can scroll through your data or use filters to make empty cells easier to find. To enable filters, click the Data menu and select Create a Filter. Then use the filter options to display rows with blank values. Once you've identified the missing data, decide how you want to handle it. If you know the correct values, simply enter the missing information into the blank cells. If the missing data should match a pattern, you can use autofill by dragging the fill handle to copy values or formulas into the empty cells. If your spreadsheet uses formulas, click on the cells to make sure the formulas are correct and haven't been accidentally deleted. You can also use functions such as if error, or isBlank to identify or manage missing values in your calculations. After updating the missing data, review your charts, formulas, and reports to make sure they're displaying the correct results. Finally, save your spreadsheet to keep your changes. And that's it. You've successfully fixed missing data in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips, spreadsheet tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.